And it helps to have homies like Smooch over here gassing me up.
Keep your foot on their necks, bitch!
That's right.
Keep your foot on their neck!
Gassing me up like this, so that's what I'm gonna apply. Today's January 26th, the day of the Grammys, but also just the huge shock of the passing of Kobe Bryant and all those people on board the helicopter. And I found out about that right when I got out of church, got in my car and checked my phone. And I'm surprised at how, my reaction to it all, because I was never a basketball fan. I never even played basketball. But my entire life, Kobe Bryant has been in my life. All my friends growing up saying, Kobe, as they shoot a shot into a basketball hoop or a trash can, whatever. So I'm just really surprised at how much this is shocking me. I think just because when I read about him retiring, I took some time to actually read about him when he retired in 2016, and I learned about how he speaks Italian and has this Japanese and Japan cultural influence on his life. And I realized, like, wow, this guy isn't just really good at basketball, he's really good at life. Like, he's just really good at living his life to the fullest and being the most exceptional human being he can. And that's something I really admire about. It's just someone like him who just knows all his God-given talents and uses them for good and then some. So that's been on my mind all day today. I've been finally trying to put all my stuff away as I've been watching the news about the Kobe Bryant stuff today, and also trying to follow the Grammys and everything, and all the chaos of the behind-the-scenes Grammys. And man, I've just been running around trying to film auditions and trying to meet people and network and follow up with people, apply to tons of jobs, trying to work out, trying to take better care of my skin, so much stuff. So I gotta remember to film stuff for you guys for this vlog. But the truth is, I guess I'm so good at being present, I don't ever take my camera out. But I'm gonna try and get highlights of my life down here for the next week or two, and then bundle that up in a vlog. So hopefully I can be like, yo, check out this cool stuff I filmed. So did I do that? Let's find out. So one of my coworkers from my old job, she gifted this to me. It's something that her husband made, but she said it reminded her of a hashtag, and she thought of me because I was a social media dude. So she gave me this cool wooden shelf that her husband made. What I'm going to try and do, I've been watching that show Making It on NBC. I have no idea why, but that show speaks to me. So I'm going to try and put these little brackets on the back, and then these on the bottom, and put some of these little clips to hang underneath. And I'm hoping that I can mount it on the wall and hang necklaces off of it, put my watches there, put some other cool stuff there on the wall. I don't know if I can do that. So I swear to you guys, each and every day I'm like, okay, today I'm going to work on more craft stuff, do more personal stuff. I start looking at jobs online, and all of a sudden I spend 4 hours applying for jobs. And here's what came up, and I'm going to apply for it right now. They're looking for a travel host / presenter. It says, seeking a host for a family-friendly, low-budget web travel series with a cast and crew of 2 people roaming the world, cracking jokes while talking with locals and going on adventures. Season 1 travels from the Arctic to the Amazon. Must be friendly, funny, curious, adventurous, open to budget backpack travel, and willing to travel for most of March and April. I'm down to do all those things. So I'm applying right now. They wanted some hosting reels. I got those. I sent them my vlogs from Jakarta, from Bali. So I'm going to apply to this, you guys, and see what the hell happens. Oh, it would be perfect. This would be perfect for me. I would be perfect for them. So fingers crossed, inshallah. Inshallah that I make this. So this is the kind of stuff that when I'm feeling low, I see a job opportunity like this, and motivation's right back up here. And it helps to have homies like Smooch over here gassing me up.
Keep your foot on their necks, bitch!
That's right.
Keep your foot on their neck!
Gassing me up like this, so that's why I'm gonna apply. Just dropped off the homies. They're gonna go to taping at Jimmy Kimmel, but I think right here they're asking people questions on Jimmy Kimmel right here. That's awesome. Jimmy Kimmel Films right there. If you want to imagine what this scary situation must be like, for some reason these traffic lights are out on Franklin and Cahuenga in Hollywood, so they have 2 just traffic people just directing traffic. I would not want that job at all. How do you even decide what to do? And how do you not get ran over? Oh my goodness.
I've been making money. My time to shine. step aside. I ain't playing, honey. I know what to do. D-I-S-C-O. You know I glow.
Back here shooting some more with my homie Josh. Either I'm so tall or he's so small that he's on the couch doing this little photo shoot. We're gonna try and recreate the Destiny's Child album cover from the album The Writings on the Wall. So let's see if we can do 4 different versions of me, Vince Vicari. Follow me on Spotify. What? Hi Josh. Josh sent me the raws, which I'm gonna edit, send to my awesome friend Katie. We are recreating a Destiny's Child album cover, the album cover called The Writings on the Wall. So we're going to do 4 different pictures of me. Oh, damn, look at that girl. Oh my God. We're going to do 4 different versions of me to represent each of the 4 members of Destiny's Child at the time. And I'm wearing white in all of them. Oh, snap. This is my first time seeing them. I'm kind of shook at myself. So anyways, this is hopefully by the time I put this vlog out, my EP's already out. I did an acoustic 4-song EP by my buddy Brian Fernandez, recorded by my buddy Harry Singh, and we're doing cover songs from female pop singers from the early mid 2000s. And Josh had the great idea to like recreate each of the album covers from the album covers of the albums where the songs are that I'm recording. Does that make sense? So one of them is the Writings on the Wall by Destiny's Child, and I think it's coming together okay. Like, I don't know if people are gonna think this is like funny or cool or what, but IDGAF, I'm doing it. Look at this stuff. Oh wait, what? Whose album cover is that? Help. So anyways, let's see how it turns out. So I just got home from a taping of The Masked Singer, that show on CBS. I'm sworn to secrecy. I'm not going to tell you guys what happened because I signed something and that's it. I just went to the show. That's all I'm going to say. But I was rushing to get home because I had a 4:30 Skype interview for a game show. I don't even know I should tell you what the game show is yet. But I just literally hung up with the casting director for this game show. So hopefully I'll get cast for that too, play in a game show, win some money. I'm just feeling a high right now, but I'm also very hungry because I've been on set at this other show since 9 a.m. and I got home at 4:30. I got home at 4:28, and I had the Skype interview at 4:30, and I just got done, and it's 4:56. I'm gonna have a bowl of cereal. More work to be done, but this is like what I live for, to be honest. It's just to be on the move, doing things, and I know I have what it takes. I just got to get myself in front of the right people because you know what? Let me show you this right here. This is my motto. I got this at a yard sale, and I keep this on the wall right here by my door so it reminds me every day. It says, luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity. That's sincerely how I feel. I have been preparing for the right opportunity for years now. A lot of you know me well and can just attest to that. So I know that my opportunity is going to come, and that's not going to be luck. That's going to be the intersection of preparation and opportunity. That intersection, that point, it's not luck. It's Vince Vicari time. Just putting the finishing touches on my acoustic EP. And I really shouldn't say I am. My friends are. My team, my squad, whatever you want to call it. I just call it my friends. My friend Josh Comprendio, he did this photo shoot with me for my acoustic EP of all these cover songs. And my friend and creative comrade, Katie Kukulka, she photoshopped all these images to make them resemble the original album covers that I'm recreating as much as possible. And so right now I'm just getting 2 of the 4 finalized from Katie right now, and I'm deciding which one to use as like the actual album cover, the album art for my acoustic EP that I'm going to be calling Emotional Nostalgia. And the goal is to put it out February 13th, right before Valentine's Day, just to kind of play with those heart emotions, whether you have a full heart or a broken heart. Let me try and show you guys. So I've just been renaming files and looking at things and gonna log into my DistroKid right now, but look at me go. So that's me recreating Shakira, and this is me creating Christina Aguilera's debut album. I think I'm gonna choose this one because my name's front row center It looks modern and professional. If you didn't know I was, paying tribute to these album covers, that maybe this might be a better one. And I also feel like if you have no idea who I am and you don't get the iconic album covers I'm recreating and you just hear the music and you like the music, I think this would pull people in more. Also, I'm a Fighter for Life fan of Christina Aguilera, so I feel like it's only right for me to make this my cover art for my EP called Emotional Nostalgia. So I think that's what I'm gonna go with. But yeah, it's been a full day of creative stuff. If only I got paid for this, okay? I could be doing this for other people too and be getting paid for it. Anyways, I've been having a blast. I'm hoping to get this all done and uploaded to my distribution service on the internet by midnight. And inshallah, that it all gets uploaded and on like Spotify and Apple Music and everything by February 13th. So let me figure this out, okay? BRB. Just sitting here listening to and watching the Academy Awards, trying to continue going through, sorting all the little knickknacks, all the little tiny things that come with you when you move. One of the things that I wanted to share with you guys is I got these articles I've read about Bruno Mars over the years, and I've had them up on my bulletin boards just to like keep me motivated, including these guys who are producers from Sacramento Stereotypes who've worked with Bruno Mars. But like, just reading these articles and kind of keeping them with me over the years like keeps me super motivated to like stay on the path and keep focused with what I want to do. I also got cool stickers like my boys Gumball and Darwin. Shout out to Tess and Sadie for this. Love it. So I'm just kind of sorting through everything, trying to get all my pictures organized while I multitask and watch the Oscars, which is also some more inspiration, but also I'm just trying to get things done so I can finally get my mind cleaned and calm down. So I know that my opportunity is going to come, and that's not going to be luck. That's going to be the intersection of preparation and opportunity. That intersection, that point, it's not luck. It's Vince Vicari time.